Okay then, hello there, ladies and jellyfish. This is Dash Thomas and Mr. Pan of Pizza from Elevators of 14S. Coming to you from Sector 15S. This is going to be the elevator at 114 St. George Street, Kissimmee, Florida. JK Lowell, this is at Gaylord Palms. Gaylord Palms, Emerald Bay Elevator A. Just like all the other ones, these are Kone, Ecosystem MR. Yes, that's 220. Going down, sir? Okay. Let's watch us disappear, shall we? Had a little bit of a 8. Oh, we can't get a dual indicator. We could. There we go. Oh, it's overstopping. We are at 8. Oh. There's the castle out in the middle. Grand Avenue in the center. You're at the lower level. Oh, going up?
Going up. Yeah.
Which one y'all going to?
I guess just to the first floor.
Where y'all headed to?
Well, is there any ice cream or anything like in shops?
There might be something on the first floor, yeah.
I'll go take a peek. Your sister wants to go over there. And we'll go back to the room after that.
Floor 1. Have a great day. Yeah, I honestly don't know what there is for ice cream. There should be something on this main strip.
Yeah, if there's anything.
Okay. You're welcome. Very smooth. We're at 8. I do not feel good at all. And all this guest floor looks the same, except for it has the blue carpeting. Oh yes, they've raised the prices for soda. Here we go. Focus. Yep, there we go. As I said before, these are all Kone KSS 220. Might be Series 220. Oh, that's strange. There's a 1 plate there. Foot cab view. What the heck? Going down?
Yes.
Going to 1?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. 6216. There's an elevator enthusiast, don't mind me.
Okay.
No, I'm not on camera, don't worry. I'm one of those people. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Navigate Gaylord Hotels. I've used it before. It doesn't work, but it's convenient. This is St. George Street. Oh look, watch the elevator go up. You probably remember this place from Made for YouTube special. There's the Coca Bean right there. I would show you the Destin 1 thing, but I don't have enough time. Restaurant availability. Souvenir shop right there. So now we are going to check out these elevators, Bank B. Oh, I'll take the next one. Oh, yeah. I'm just an elevator enthusiast. I'm just running these things up and down. Here we go. Lower level. Have a great day.
Yeah.
Here we go. Here we're at 8. I'm not sure if I uploaded that portion of the hotel tour, but I was struggling to find where the fitness center was. Oh my gosh! Seems like they've added more places for you to go here. Hopefully, do some O-facing. Hooroo! Oh, going up?
Yep, we're going up.
Which one y'all going to?
The first.
Okay. I'm just an elevator enthusiast, don't mind me. Have a great day.
You too.
I'm going up?
Yeah.
Which one you going to?
Just the next level.
3, okay. I'm just an elevator enthusiast, don't mind me.
That's right.
Here we go. We're at 3. What the heck?
Are we free?
And now we're at 3. Yeah, this thing's acting up. I'm gonna get a different one. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna replay that clip for you. Listen very closely for these really small beeps. Some sound like they're coming from the control panel. I don't know what the problem is in this scenario. 3. What the heck?
Are we free?
And now we're at 3. Yeah, this thing's acting up. I'm gonna get a different one. There we go. Partially different cab. And not really much indicator. Wait a minute, this might actually be an EcoDisc. Where's this thing going? We're at 8? Oh my gosh. I hate to say it, but these things have gone downhill. Not sound good at all. I like that. Again, there's the castle and that thing, I don't know what that is. St. George Street down there. Kone KSS 220, an ADA compliant phone. And it's 6214. It's located at 124 St. George Street. However, this one, unlike the other one's not numbered. I would do a 3 minutes and 8 seconds video here, but the problem is I'm out of time. Oh, sorry. There goes that one. I guess that'll be it.